while others pursue fleeting trends. Cardano advances with a clear purpose: truly decentralized. It stands out as one of the few truly decentralized blockchains. Over the past 6 years, the network has maintained an impeccable record of uninterrupted service. Each upgrade undergoes rigorous peer review, grounded in substantial research. The strategic roadmap is transparent, and the vision is oriented towards long-term success. Cardano is characterized by stability and durability. With robust tokenomics, ADA could very well emerge as the unassuming titan of crypto. Cardano, where a measured and intelligent approach prevails.